Bionaire Twin Reversible Airflow Window Fan with remote control for convenient adjustment. This double window fan draws in fresh, cool air from the outside or exhausts stale, hot air from inside. It can also do both simultaneously, because each of the two fans can be set independently to draw in or exhaust out, allowing the unit to exchange inside and outside air. Operable either manually or automatically, with its programmable thermostat turning the fans off and on to maintain a selected temperature. The unit has 3 speeds, electronic controls, and an LCD screen showing the selected temperature and the room temperature. The twin fan is designed to fit double-hung, vertical slider, and casement windows. Overall, the unit is 13 inches high, arrives fully assembled, and carries a 5-year warranty against defects. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Programmable Digital LED Thermostat. Set your desired temperature level to the degree of 60 to 80 degrees and the fan will automatically turn off and on in response to the ambient room temperature. Also visible in the dark for nighttime use. Number 2. Water-resistant motors. Water-resistant motors are all approved and safe to use when raining. Number 3. Remote control. Remote control operation provides the ultimate in convenience, altering speed, manual, automatic operation, airflow direction, and temperature from up to 15 feet, 4.5 meters away. 2 AAA batteries 1.5 volt required, not included. Number 4. 3 speed settings. Use of 3 speed settings, high, medium, and low speed for controlled airflow and optimal cooling and comfort. Number 5. Built-in adjustable extender. The screen expands to fit larger windows from 24 to 37 inches wide and slider-safe extender panels offer rigid support for vertical orientation. Number 6. Reversible airflow control. Change the direction of the blades to intake fresh, cool air, exhaust hot, stale air, or exchange for full room circulation. Number 7. Draws in cool air, exhausts hot air, or exchanges air with outside. Displays the current on the LED digital display. Number 8. Electronic control with LCD screen and remote control, 3 speeds. Number 9. Programmable thermostat turns the fan off, on to maintain selected comfort level. Number 10. Fits double-hung, vertical slider, and width 24.25 inches, 61.6 centimeters. Number 11. Extenders permit custom fit, 13 inches high overall, with 8.5-inch fans. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.